Hi everyone, in this video we will continue working with the flag and with specifiers to display the alphabet neatly. So I'm going to start off by creating a for loop, and what I want to do is I want to display the characters, alphabet characters from A to Z. So my data type will be a char, and I'm going to name my variable letter, and to indicate single letters it will be a single quotations. So I want it to start with a capital A and then end with a capital Z. So to make it stop until Z and to include Z, I've included the equal sign. And now I'm doing capital Z, and I want to increment the letter by 1 at each round. Now I just want to do a normal printout. So printf, and I'm going to be displaying that letter. So I'm just going to do the percentage sign to indicate that I have a formatting rule, and the letter C to indicate that it's a char. And I'm just going to display my letter, and I'll run the program. Let's see what we get. So we basically have the letters A, B, C, D, E until Z. Now, instead of putting spaces like this manually, what I'll do is I'll run the loop again, and this time so use a so let's say this is the default output and this is right justified. So I just want to have the letters be justified to the right, and to do that I'm going to put 3 spaces. So right before my conversion character I'll have the width, and I'm just going to use 3 spaces. So this will right justify the code. So from left it will be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It'll be good to have a a blank line, just like a new line. So just an empty print line statement, and execute this again. So this is what we have. So this is the first loop, the default, and this is the right justified one. Now if I wanted to print the print every 13 characters at a time, I can even do that as well. So what I can do is I can just declare a variable of integer, and I call it count, and then what I'll do is inside my loop here I can say increment count by 1 each time, and then if count is equal to 13, which is half of the alphabet, then I will make count go back to 0, and what I want to do is just print out a new line. So I'm going to run this again. It just makes it a bit neater. That it really depends on how you want to display this, just for display purposes. So again, what we have is from the right I got 1, 2, 3. So if I had 2 letters here, they'll be filled out here. If I had 3 letters, then they'll also be all in the same spot. Okay, now I'm going to do the same, but I'm going to show you the demonstration of the flag to display this to the left. So I'm going to make a copy of this, and I want to make sure that I actually reset count, because otherwise it will be up to 13. So, or it actually might be already a 0. I'll see how it goes without that for now. And the only difference the second go is I'll have the flag to indicate this is going to be left justified. Okay, so because this is already 13 before we end the loop, it's already count is already equal to 0. I won't need this part here, and so that's what we have. So this is left on the left side, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. Obviously you can include more spaces, so I could make this 4 spaces apart, and maybe this one a bit less. I can make this 2 spaces, so you'll see the difference. This has got 1, 2, 1, 2, and text is displayed on the left, on the right, sorry, and then this one goes 1, 2, 3, 4, and starting from the left. And that's about it. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.